Hello, welcome to Natori. My name is Gabriella, and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today we're going to talk about how your t-shirt bra should fit. At Natori, we perfected comfort. With a seamless look and a barely there feel, our t-shirt bras are an essential silhouette to your wardrobe. Here's 3 quick tips to ensure you're wearing the right fit. Is your center gore laying flat against your chest? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Is your underwire clearing your breast tissue? You shouldn't feel any digging or bulging in the top of the cup. If you do, most likely your cup is too small. Your band should be snug and parallel to the floor. We should always be starting on the outer hook. If you're on one of the inner hooks, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to show you how to fit yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. You're going to place the measuring tape directly under your bust line with a tight squeeze and your arms down. For the cup size, you're going to hold the tape loosely around the fullest part of your breast with your arms down. Be sure to check out our fit guide.